This video will demonstrate how a parent can view and interpret the Schoology Grade Report. Depending on the student's school, track, and grade level, the Schoology Gradebook will be used to a greater or lesser degree. This video demonstrates many features, not all of which will be used by every teacher. I'm logged in on this screen as a parent, and my child's name is showing here. So if I click on the little arrow, you can see that I'm on the parent account, but I'm viewing the student view. So in this case, since I want to view Susie's grades, I want her name showing in that up in the upper right corner. Over here in the left navigation bar, I'll click on grades. And then since Susie's not enrolled in any courses currently, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to click on past. Summertime, so Susie's not enrolled in a current course. Then I'm going to scroll down here to the science class. And you can see Susie's overall grade right here. I'll click to expand fall, and we can see that in this course, assignments were worth 25% of the overall grade, labs 25%, quizzes 20%, and tests 30%. Her overall grade for the fall semester is 72.57%, but you can see here the breakdown. She has 100% for assignments, labs not so good, quizzes 86.67, no tests taken during the fall semester. Let's take a closer look at the assignment area. So I'll expand that. The gray number here indicates the point value of an assignment. The green number indicates the points earned by the student. You'll notice that each assignment has a due date, and each assignment title is clickable. It's hyperlinked so that by clicking on it, you can open the assignment and view it in its entirety. This little icon here, which looks like a small sheet of paper, indicates that an electronic submission has been made. In this case, the electronic submission was made and it was graded. In this case, the electronic submission was made, but it has not yet been graded by the teacher. Not all items will be submitted electronically. An assignment that shows only a short horizontal line like this indicates that the assignment has not been turned in or it has not yet been graded. Since our students still submit many assignments on paper, the assignment may have already been turned in the classroom, but the teacher has not yet recorded it. When you see an assignment with this line only, it's important to look at the due date. We can see here quite a few assignments that have not yet been turned in or graded, but it's possible when you check the due dates that these assignments might be due in the future. If you see this green hexagon, it is an excused assignment, so this will not count toward the overall grade one way or the other. Let's scroll down and look at the quiz section. In the quiz section, this little puzzle icon appears when the student has taken a quiz. If the quiz is auto-graded, the score will appear as soon as the student submits the quiz. Be aware, though, that many teachers may allow 2 or more submissions of a quiz, with the highest score being recorded. So you may need to encourage your student to take a quiz a second time. If a quiz contains essay questions or other questions that the teacher must grade manually, the quiz icon will appear when the student takes the quiz, but the quiz score will not appear until the teacher does any manual grading. Let's click on this lab section and notice some of these other possibilities here. This icon indicates that the submission is incomplete, and the teacher may write a note here that says to complete the assignment and resubmit, or that it's too late to resubmit, something along those lines. This hexagon here shows that it's missing and it counts automatically as a 0 toward that student's grade. When you view the grade report, here are some questions you may ask your student. Did you turn this in? If the answer is yes, then the missing grade is likely because the teacher has not yet graded the assignment. If the answer is no, the next question should be, can you still turn it in? Make sure to check the course syllabus to be reminded of the teacher's late work policy. If a student is distressed to see an F on any part of his grade report, remind her that this is not the final grade. In this case, the F on the lab portion of the grade report is due to missing work. If work can be made up, it will improve the grade. Even if work cannot be made up, the student can significantly improve the overall grade by making sure to turn in all future assignments and doing quality work.